Hello friends, let us consider a word problem on arithmetic progression. A girl saves rupees 1 on first day. She increases her savings by rupees 1 each day. Now there is a constant increase. So this question is based on arithmetic progression. Why I am telling you this? Because in exam you should be able to identify which chapter it is related to. Okay. She has saved rupees 325. How many days has she saved for? Okay. Now, let n be the number of days she has saved. So, here a is equal to 1, d is equal to 1 and Sn is equal to 325. Now, we know that Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, since her total savings are 325, so we have to use the formula for sum of the n terms. Okay, so 325 is equal to n upon 2 into 2 into 1. We will substitute the values n minus 1 into 1. Now 2 will transpose on the other side. Here it is divided by 2, so it will go multiplied by 2. So 325 into 2, 25 to the 50 and 3 to the 6. So 650. So n into 2 plus n minus 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 and n minus 1 is into 1 is n minus 1. So ultimately it is, we are going to solve the sum further. Now the next step will be 650 is equal to n into n plus 1. Okay, let's try to solve this. N square plus n minus 650, because we are transposing the term on the other side, is equal to 0. Nothing is left on this side. Now what does this plus 1 tell us? That the factors of 650 should be such that, listen carefully, the difference between them is 1. Okay. Now you will say, sir, how you directly arrived at this? I am telling you. What is the logic? Product of two consecutive numbers is lying between their individual squares. This is a tip which will be, or this is a fact which will be useful to you while solving this problem. Okay. Now I will repeat. The product of two consecutive natural numbers will always lie between their individual squares. So we have to find between which two perfect squares this number lies. So the answer is 625 and 676. Okay. Now therefore let's check out whether this is a product of 650 is a product of 25 and 26. So 25 6 are 15, 150, carry over 15, 25 to the 50 plus 15, 650. So our answer is correct. Now we are going to further solve it by taking this on the left and 0 on the right hand side. So n square minus 25n plus 26n minus 650 is equal to 0. Clubbing the first two and last two terms, or first, second and third, fourth. Therefore n into n minus 25, we are taking out n common, and here we are taking out 26 common. So n minus 25. Since we have divided by 650, 650 is a product of 26 and 25. Therefore, if you take out 26 common, then naturally 25 will be left. And this matches with our this bracket. Therefore, n n minus 25 you can take out first common, and n plus 26. Therefore, see, in word problem mostly you will have this constant sign of the constant as negative, or constant sign will be negative. So, and you will have to discard one of the values of the quadratic equation's root. So, therefore, n minus 25 equal to 0, or n plus 26 is equal to 0. So, therefore, n is equal to 25, or n is equal to minus 26. Now, can the number of days be minus? No. Therefore, number of days for which she has saved, number of days cannot be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 25. Therefore, the girl has saved for 25 days. Here, one thing I would like to tell you, that in this particular example, n into n plus 1 is equal to 650. So here, from here also, we can catch that the product of two consecutive numbers should be 650. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. And please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.